Hello gang, Rick Krill with Landmark Realty Group here up in the Highlands and Cashiers area. It's good to see you all again. I just wanted to give you a quick update. After passing my Airman's Knowledge exam, performing a TSA background check and vetting with the FAA, they finally determined I'm not a threat to society. And I got my remote pilot in command. Really all it is a license to fly your drone commercially. Now, something that's interesting is that even though you get this here from the FAA, in North Carolina, they actually have you pass another exam through the Department of Transportation. And that's just for the public safety and everything. So go ahead and do it. It doesn't cost anything. They give you all the information you need. And this way you're legal here in North Carolina to fly your drone, take photos, and be posting them. So the question that some people ask is, why does a broker need to fly a drone? Well, I'm going to answer this. There's actually three parts to that. Number one is it's fun. Plain and simple. That's all there is to it. There's a lot to learn. Going through the FAA is a lot of fun, learning a lot of different things there. But there's also apps that you can use for autonomous flight where these craft can go off on their own. You don't even have to control them. They're actually maneuvered automatically. And you also get to see things from a whole different perspective. So if you've ever flown, been around, you know how beautiful it is up in the sky just to look down on things. And also, I can provide a better service to my clients now. We get some unique perspectives on homes, looking at them just a little bit different angle, getting up a little bit higher, maybe down a little bit lower, looking up. There's a lot we can do. So we can get much better photos, not only of homes, but especially of land. Land is difficult to show sometimes in trying to sell that for people because you can't always get in there because the brush, the mountain laurel in this area is just really steep or whatever. But we can take our drone and we can and we can fly it through the trees. We can get through, we can see unique angles. We can see things that we probably wouldn't see otherwise. And also the drone actually helps me to lay out coordinates. I can put in these coordinates into my device and I can fly out. I can actually find the corners of property, and I can also fly over it so that prospective buyers can see where the drone is flying to and then get a better idea of the property. And finally, the third reason is photographers. I love them. They do me a great job, but they don't always get what you want. I've had shoots where they just get way too high and they try to take a picture of something, and really all it does is it looks like the woods, especially when it's land, so you can't tell a lot from the forest. So these shots are just really unrealistic in a lot of places, and you see things at an angle that you would never really see in real life. And they fly so high and get these tremendous views out. So I just, as a broker, we have a better eye and we know what looks good. And just posting a picture to have a picture on the website isn't no good if it doesn't really pertain to the property. So I do that for myself. I like to get my own drone shots, and then again, like I said, it's really fun. I have a lot of fun doing this. I also help my clients, but now that it's legal and that I have one of these, more importantly, I'm going to be sharing more videos of the Highlands Cashiers area, our waterfalls, hiking trails, things of that nature. So please subscribe to my channel. Make sure you do that. You'll be notified when these things are up. And if you want to, give me a comment. If there's an area or something you would like to see, maybe a drone flyby or something, just let me know. It'll give me an excuse. It'll inspire me up here. We'll go out, we'll take some video, and we'll be able to share that with others. And don't forget, if you need anything to do with real estate, Rick Krill, that's my name. I'm with Landmark Realty Group. You can ask anybody there. They can put you in touch with me. You can also go to rickc.landmarkrg, that's for Realty Group, rickc.landmarkrg.com. Love to hear from you. Post your comments, and I'll talk to you soon.